Bring him down steady. Watch the horns on the left side. Easy, big fella.
Steady now, bring him forward slowly. Guide him to the center aisle. Just a little further, keep steady.
Keep steady.
You're doing well, come on.
Check the feed levels on the Brahman near the central axis.
Levels are nominal, Supervisor.
Easy now, big fellow. Nice and slow, watch your step. That's it, you're doing fine.
The fluctuation is minimal. The weight is stable at 1,805 kilograms. Noted. All parameters are within the acceptable range. The fluctuation is minimal. The weight is stable at 1,805 kilograms. Noted. All parameters are within the acceptable range. Checkpoint reading is stable at 1,800 kilograms.
Noted. Data logged successfully.
Ensure the pressure is consistent on the dorsal side.
Confirmed. The luster on the coat is exceptional.
Right, team, let's move to the hump.
Got it, watch the horns.
Fans on low. Right, team, let's move to the hump.
Got it, watch the horns.
Fans on low.
Look at the definition on this hump. He's magnificent. Absolutely. The coat condition is superb. The data confirms his lineage quality.
Bull 24, excellent body condition, clear eyes. Horns measure 98 centimeters, moving to pin 3. Bull 24, excellent body condition, clear eyes. Horns measure 98 centimeters, moving to pin 3.
Spanning over 200 acres, this facility represents the pinnacle of modern, efficient production and design. Our state-of-the-art facility combines traditional craftsmanship with modern innovation and sustainability. The dimensions on the northwest corner are slightly off.
Noted. Rerunning the analysis now. The data suggests optimizing the cutting pattern for the X2000 machine.
All right, I will update the parameters now. This state-of-the-art facility combines technological innovation with the timeless craft of leatherwork.
The caliper reading here is slightly outside the tolerance.
Let me check the texture around that area.
Check the temperature readout on drum 3. Looks consistent with the others. We are clear for the next cycle.
Look at these readings. The tensile strength is optimal. Moisture content is exactly where we want it. Let's approve the run.
Here, the exquisite craftsmanship of our polished white horn accessories is highlighted against the black velvet. Our skilled artisans meticulously arrange each piece.
The texture on this leather is perfect for the handbag.
And the white horn complements it beautifully.
Experience the epitome of craftsmanship. The finest leather, meticulously designed for the discerning individual.
Experience the epitome of craftsmanship. Detailed stitching, rich leather, and premium finishing.
Check the alignment on this seam here. Looks perfect.
The hardware is secure. Make sure the lighting highlights the texture.
I've made a note to adjust the spot alignment on stand 4.
The craftsmanship on this piece is truly exceptional.
Yeah.
It is beautiful. The texture is incredibly soft. Notice the flawless stitching here on the handle. It's designed for durability and style. Yeah.
I can see that. It feels incredibly well made.
The lining is Bemberg Cupro, exceptionally breathable.
Ah, yes, quite luxurious. Does it come in black?
Experience the epitome of craftsmanship, where every detail reflects unparalleled luxury. We are happy to assist you with any inquiries.
This one is crafted from our exclusive Firenze leather, known for its durability and soft patina.
It's absolutely exquisite. The stitching is flawless.
The leather is sourced from Italy. Notice the grain texture and the hand-stitched details.
It's beautiful, and the hardware feels very solid.
Yes, it's polished brass, very durable.
Where strength meets sophistication, we carefully select only the finest materials, ensuring every detail reflects true luxury. From the expansive ranch to the hands of our skilled artisans, we transform raw beauty into timeless luxury. Experience the culmination of world-class craftsmanship. The finished luxury collection.